Let's start. This is a brown color. This is a orange color. This is a pink color. This is a purple color. This is a blue color. This is a red color. This is a light green color. This is a green color. Yellow color. And this is a black color. I draw capital letter A. B. C. Capital letter D. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's paint. Red color. A for aeroplane. B for broccoli.
Yeah, let's see a list of words that start with the letter A. Apple, angel, address, animal, answer. April, autumn, ambulance, airplane, and
C for cow.
alligator, amazing.
D for donut.
Art, apple, angel, address, animal, answer. April, autumn, ambulance, airplane, arrow, alligator, ant.
Number 1,
1, 2, 3, let's go. A, B, C, count the rhythm and
number 2,
3. We're singing all together. A, B, C, count the rhythm and 1, 2, 3. We're singing all together.
number 3,
A, B, C, count the rhythm and 1, 2, 3. We're singing all together. A, B, C, count the
and number 4.
1, 2, 3. We're singing all together. Yeah, let's see a list of words that start with the letter A. Apple,
Let's repeat learn. Capital letter A, B, C and D. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.